Good morning, fine people of the internet. And happy Father's Day to my dads out there upon recording this video. Today is Father's Day, so shout out dads. I myself am a dad to a beautiful little 6-year-old girl, and it is an amazing thing. If you don't know me, my name is John. I'm a Part 142 instructor working towards my goal of becoming an airline pilot. So if you like aviation content and all things aviation, maybe you're an av geek or maybe you're just interested in what it takes to become a pilot, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom and join me on this journey. Today's video, we are going to be knocking some rust off. It has been about 2 months since I've been in the plane due to the usual things like weather and maintenance. I'm going to be joining up with my buddy Grant today, who is a CFI MEI, I believe. We're going to knock some rust off, go do some patterns, maybe some power off 180s, some maneuvers, just kind of get my groove back. So let's jump in the cockpit and let's get after it.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and release the brakes, give it a little power, and then test our brakes. All right, we're clear right, brakes work, clear left. All right, so let's just double check. We got flaps 25, trim check, good there. Instruments are set, navigation is set. You ready?
Yep.
Goose Creek traffic, Cherokee 719er Mike Romeo is taking runway 22, left crosswind departure, Goose Creek. Full power's in, engine instruments are green, oil pressure, fuel pressure, all looks good. Let's fly. Takeoff power set and achieved. We have a good engine. Airspeed's alive, 40 knots. $50. Okay, there's 1800, overflying the field.
Roger.
Our descent approach checklist mixture has been enriched. We'll go ahead and bring it all the way rich. We got our weather, instruments and altimeter are set. Fuel selectors are good for now. And we'll get our before landing checklist before we join the downwind on the return leg.
Cool. I got traffic converging at us on the right.
Do you?
About 300 feet below. So.
You see it for real?
I mean, on the fish finder, but if we do a teardrop, kind of gonna right into them, especially descending, so.
Why don't I have traffic right now? That is so weird.
You don't have any?
No.
Or you don't have him?
Traffic is, I mean, I have traffic on, but I don't have any traffic. You see him?
Not yet. He's about to pass under us. He's probably right under us now. It's weird, he's like right over Anson's airspace with no radio call. .500 feet below, so it looks like he is descending. I don't know why we don't hear anything.
Area traffic, Cherokee 3374 with the 1,400
That's like
traffic
turquoise.
southwest area.
He should be almost entering downwind.
It's traffic, Med Center 4, 1 east, 1500 midfield westbound, Anson.
Helicopter. Right off our nose, 500 feet below.
Anson County traffic, Cherokee 719 Mike Romeo, joining the left midfield downwind, runway 16, looking for the helo traffic.
What's your altitude?
Currently at 1980, descending down the pattern 1,300.
Okay, we're at 15, I'll drop down to 1,000. We're midfield right now, westbound, don't have you in sight.
Roger.
I never heard him on the radio.
I didn't either.
He never made a 10, 5. He said he's going to 1,000 feet, so that means
It's
MSL
traffic,
for him.
helicopter, Med Center 4, we are now 1,200 feet, descending for 1,000
Yeah.
on the west side of the runway, departing the area, Anson.
Thanks for the help, Helo. Have a good day.
You as well, thank you.
Hey guys, I just wanted to jump in here real quick and talk about the highly debated and contested teardrop into the downwind pattern entry. I'm not going to get into a debate about if this is acceptable or if it is not acceptable. The fact of the matter is we did it on this flight, and on this flight the pattern was very quiet. There was no traffic in the area, so we went ahead and elected to do the teardrop. Now, the way that I've always done this when it comes to doing a pattern entry as such, I typically will be 500 feet above piston pattern altitude, and I'll fly it out about 2 nautical miles before I turn back towards the airport. But at any rate, this is an example as to why, if you were in the camp of do not do the teardrop, this would be an example as to why you would not want to do that. So obviously everything went fine. We communicated with the helicopter with no issue. It's a debatable topic, so why don't you leave your comments below on what you think about the teardrop entry into the downwind.
All right, well, this is already...
Traffic 670 for Bravo Hotel, flying over the field at 2,500.
That's just a reason why I don't like teardrops. It just, the direct expedites.
Brakes, test and release, make sure it's full rich.
Departure 5817 Foxtrot, right turn out of the pattern to the northeast, Davidson County.
Okay, fuel pump coming on. Okay. And car P check is required, all right.
Good.
Charleston Executive traffic, ANOM 306 to the north, inbound for landing, Charleston Executive.
Well, guys, as you can see, that was a pretty awful landing for the first one, but that's okay. It's been a while since I've been in here, and that's why I got Grant, and we're going to get through this together. We're going to polish up, so all good. But
All
please,
good.
judge me all you want. I do not care. Because we out here making it happen, and what you doing? You on the couch, watching me. On YouTube.
Damn! Oh my gosh! Ruthless. bliss.
We have some fun here. All right, Alpha 3 is where we're exiting.
Roger.
We're going to come to a stop here. I'm going to do my checklist.
Okay.
Hanson County traffic. Cherokee 719 Mike Romeo is clear of runway 16 at Alpha 3, Hanson County.
Very nice.
All right, so we're good
Very
there.
nice, very nice.
Hanson County traffic. Cherokee 719 Mike Romeo taxiing runway 16, Hanson. We did our after landing checklist. We are moving on to our before takeoff checklist. So instruments and altimeter, we're going to be taking off runway 16. So we're going to go over here to 160. Okay, that's bugged. Okay, pattern altitude 1300, that's bugged. Okay, carb heat is off. Primer is in and locked. We just changed fuel tanks. Trim is set neutral for takeoff. And we'll bring our fuel pump on and get our doors and windows. Hanson County traffic, Cherokee 719er Mike Romeo taking runway 16 for departure. We're going to be making left closed traffic, Hanson. Hanson County traffic, career track 1091, Seminole, 10 mile final, RNAV 16, slow approach only, Hanson. Hanson County traffic, Cherokee 719er Mike Romeo, left crosswind for runway 16, Hanson. Hanson County traffic, Cherokee 9er Mike Romeo, left downwind 16, keep an eye out for that Seminole, Hanson. Shelby County traffic, Sirius 130, Tango November, passing left downwind 23, Shelby County. Hanson County traffic, Cherokee 9er Mike Romeo, left base 16, Hanson.
You want to do a soft field takeoff?
We can. Clear left, clear right. Anson County traffic, Cherokee 79 Mike Romeo, final 16, Anson.
Boom! Yes, sir! That was good. Hit the point! Hit the point!